Ma, are you okay? Ma, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Babe, I'm really sorry. Okay, I am truly sorry.
What are you sorry for? You haven't called or texted me in 3 days.
I know, babe, I know, and I can't explain.
You have nothing to explain.
No, babe, just listen, just hear me out, okay? Just hear me out. Babe, my sister was involved in a car accident. Here, I had to rush home to meet my mom. I tried all my best to save her, but unfortunately we lost her.
Serious?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know you were going through that.
It's fine. I mean, I wouldn't have just ghosted you just like that without any reason.
It's okay. I'm so sorry. She was a nice girl.
Babe, even that new phone that you got for me, they stole it from me too.
Yeah, we can always get another phone.
Okay.
How is your mom doing?
She's fine. No, she's not fine. I'm telling you, she's everywhere. I think I even have to go back home and go and console her some more because,
okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I won't ghost you for anything.
It's okay.
Are you sure?
It's okay.
You're forgiving me?
Yeah, it's okay. Come. It's okay.
Thank you, baby.
Okay.
Thank you. Sorry,
It's okay. Your turn.
Excuse me.
Sorry. Okay, ma. I'm in the kitchen if you need me.
Alright.
Babe, I need to go to the village for all the burial arrangements.
Oh yeah, that's true. I need to come with you so I can console your mom.
Oh, no, you don't have to. You don't have to, okay? When I get there and I get the new phone, I'll just video call and then, you send your regards to her.
Why? I want to do it because you're my family.
Babe, I know that, all right? But come on. I mean, you have work, you have other things to take care of, so don't bother yourself, okay? And,
I know. You need money for travel expenses.
Yeah, I do.
Okay,
And, I'm looking at plus or minus 5 million.
5 million?
Yeah. Come on, babe. Thank you. I know you're sending. Thank you, my love.
Okay, I sent 7 million naira. You get the phone and you use the remaining one for burial expenses.
Are you serious? Ah, baby. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you. Thank you. You know what? I think I need to dash. I need to start going right now.
Why? You need to finish your breakfast.
Oh, no. No. Don't worry about this. You know where I'm going to is very far. So the earlier I start leaving, the better for me, you know?
Okay.
Yes. All right. Thank you so much, my love. I will see you soon, all right? Yeah.
Angela. Ma! Please tell the driver to get ready. We'll leave in 20 minutes.
Okay, ma.
Hey, sis. How are you? What?
What are you doing here?
I cannot come and visit my sister again. What are you doing here?
Listen, Alfred, if you are here to bill me, I do not have money. I don't have money. Oh.
Look, sister, I'm not here to bill you. I have a little break from school. Let me come and say hi to my beautiful sister. She partying. She partying now.
I'm not here to bill you. And when you are going back now, you now ask me, sis, anything for you? I do not have anything for you. Because you're supposed to be in school.
Yeah, it's not like anyway. You have something somebody can just use on both sides. Understand? You have what you don't have.
Go to the pot. I have small rice there. That's all I have for you.
Don't do that. Just say it's finished.
So you're hungry?
It's not like I'm hungry.
So you came here to just come and eat?
It's not like I came here to eat. It's just that I just want to see your fine face. That's all. But shall I tell me this jollof rice or this fried rice?
Jollof rice.
This is something you could have seen since. Simple.
See, I'm going back to work.
Yeah.
Yes, my madam will soon be back, so I need to go make food, you know.
Yeah, no wahala. Do you have something like Fanta? So I use and take down the rice.
I have bitter cola.
Like 500 now for Fanta.
Respect yourself. Go back.
Oh, wow.
Ma, you came back so early. Welcome.
I needed a me time.
Okay. Do you want me to get you something to eat?
I'll wait for Maxwell, okay? We'll have dinner together.
Ma, I think you should eat though. Are you sure he's coming back?
I don't know. He said he wanted to get a phone and then he would call me, but he didn't.
Ma, I would suggest you eat your own food though. Whenever he comes back, I will serve him his own food. Simple.
It's okay, I'll wait.
So you want to freshen up?
Yes, please.
What now?
Why are we doing this here? I mean, can't we go to your house? You have me the whole night.
I know, but like, you know how it is now. You know I like adventurous things and sex like this. Yeah? And besides, you can't come to my house now, babe. My mom is around.
Wait, are you scared of your mom?
I'm not scared of my mom. Alright, I'm just scared of what she will do to you.
Oh.
Yeah, that's all.
You just...
Oh, sugar baby.
Okay, fine.
What?
Fine. Your 500k you promised.
Oh, is that the problem? You know I will do it to you now. I will send it to you.
No, I want it now. I want it now.
Okay. I don't like this thing you're doing now. I'll call your account details now.
90
Mm-hmm.
1465 604.
Check, I'll send it to you.
Receive me.
Yeah.
Oh, my baby.
Okay, now I'm your baby one.
Ma, you might fall off. Let me just take you to your room.
I'm fine. Thank you.
Ma, you know you are not fine. You know you are not fine.
Don't worry about me. You can go.
Ma, I cannot go. What if he doesn't come back?
It's okay. You can leave. Okay?
No, I'll wait with you.
You're very stubborn.
I'm not stubborn. Oh, 1 minute. Tell her? No, I won't be coming home tonight, okay? Just make sure you lock the door, okay? Alright now. Good night.
Is that your boyfriend?
No, that's my younger brother. He just came back from school.
Oh, okay. You know you can leave, right?
Ma, I can't leave you. You haven't even eaten. What if he doesn't come back? I'll just stay and wait with you.
Angela, am I not beautiful enough?
Ma, you are very beautiful. And I know that one day the right man will come.
So you think he's not the right man?
Ma, deep down, do you think he's the right man for you? Hmm?
Babe, see, I swear, I got robbed. I'm telling the truth, I got robbed. Wait now, I'm talking to my woman now, what's your problem? Babe, see, they stole my phone, that new phone, they stole it, they stole the car, they took everything, all the money I had, they took everything. There's nothing on me anymore, see, like, even that phone that he got me, the car, my wallet, everything, they stole it, babe, see. Let me help you. Leave my woman alone, let me help you.
Sorry.
Babe.
Please take care of the house, okay? I'll be late.
Babe, please hear me out, babe. See, babe. Babe, they stole everything from me. Everything on me. They took it. What's wrong with her? My friend, I'm not talking to you.
Okay, what is it now? Why do you want to put your frustration on me?
I take God's name beg you,
Oga, leave me alone. No. This thing no concern me.
Hey, wait. Like, did I hear you well? Are you calling me a frustrated man? Eh? No, did I hear you correctly? And I'll make sure that you get fired today. Then you see who's the man of this house.
Man of which house? The last time I checked, this house is being owned by a woman and being controlled by a woman. Thank you. Leave me alone, no.
Okay. So it has gotten to this now that you'll be exchanging words. You're even banging the door. I said, come open this door. Hello? Hello, babe.
I thought you said you lost your phone.
Yes, no, I got a new one. So I was trying to... Hello? Babe, hello? Hello?
What's the problem?
What are you doing here?
I came to collect clothes and shoes from our wife. What happened?
This girl, you always come here at the wrong time. Look, as far as we are concerned, you are dead. Yes, so I told her that you are dead.
What?
Why are you shouting? Why did you shout? Your voice now. What's your problem? What's your problem?
Why would you do that?
Mo, I've collected money for your burial like this, so.
What did you do with the money?
Which kind of question be that one? I don't understand. Starting when? I don't collect money because I don't collect money. I don't understand this question asking me. See what will happen now. Just go upstairs, pack all the clothes that you can pack because Yawa don't gas, so he don't cast.
Why?
My friend, when he goes upstairs, what's your problem?
You see that he's waiting for us now.
Who's this? Can I speak to Angela?
I'm so sorry. My sister is sleeping. She's not feeling too good. No, that thing that will have to wait though. My staff health comes first. She's not feeling too strong now. Yeah.
Who are you talking to?
It's your boss.
Hello, ma. What? I'll be right there. I'll be right there.
What do you think you're going to? You're not even feeling strong.
She needs me. I need to go there now, okay? She needs me, okay? I'll be back.
Wow.
What is it?
He took everything. My clothes, shoes, everything.
Why will he do a thing like that?
He dropped a note saying he would never marry a cripple.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
crying. This is the 5th heartbreak in 6 months. I'm exhausted.
It's okay, please. Just take it easy.
So is it that I'm destined to not be loved because I'm crippled?
Forbid.
Then why do they keep playing with my feelings?
I don't say that. We'll find the right one. Stop crying. Please. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Let me take you to your bed.
Coming.
Ma, good morning. Breakfast is ready.
Sit down.
Huh?
Sit.
I should.
Yes. Sit down. I need your help. I need a man.
Ma?
Don't misunderstand me. I need a husband. No. I need a man to be my husband for a year. And after a year, we divorce.
Ma, I don't understand.
Listen to me. I need to take my father's company. And to do that, I have to be married. My uncle is trying to take the company away from me. So I need you to help me find somebody. I would pay the person very well.
You need me to find you a husband.
Yes.
No, okay, ma. I will help you.
Thank you. And please tell them that I'm crippled. I don't want someone to come here and embarrass me.
Okay, ma.
Yeah. Just give me 5 minutes, please.
5 minutes? Yeah. Okay, ma. Hello? Really? You agreed to marry her? Oh my God, that's so wonderful. That's so lovely. Thank you so much. But one thing though, she's crippled. Hello? 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 Ma, I'm very sorry. I've not been able to get anyone.
It's okay. I've gotten someone, okay? We actually got married in court today.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm happy for you. Congrats.
Thank you. So, I want you to make something very nice for him and fix one of the rooms for him as well.
Consider it done. I'm on it. I'm on it, okay? I'm happy for you, ma.
Thank you. fine.
The food is almost done and it's very delicious. Just a little time.
Okay. All right. Thank you. I think he's at the door.
Oh, let me go there.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I'll sort it out.
Hi.
Hi, Alfred.
Wow.
Hi, Alfred.
Hello.
Please make yourself comfortable.
Yes, of course I will. Oh yeah, you. Sorry. There you go. Wow.
What would you like to have?
Me? No, listen, I just want you to calm down. Okay, just relax. Breathe, okay? I'm not that complicated, you know? Just very simple guy. You get to know me more soon. It's water I don't find safe, you know. All those things.
Ma, the food is... Fred! What are you doing here?
Please don't tell me he's your boyfriend. Who is he to you?
He's my younger brother. What are you doing here?
Angela, I'm very sorry. I didn't know it was your younger brother. A friend introduced us and he agreed to do the job.
Fred, why would you do this? Why did you take up this job? I do everything within my power to make you comfortable. What is it?
Angela, please. Please don't make this any more embarrassing. We will start the divorce process tomorrow.
Sorry, I'm not starting any process with you tomorrow. I don't want to divorce you. Okay, I'm not starting no process with you tomorrow. No. I mean, nobody forced me to do this. I did this of my own accord.
Fred, are you okay? Are you serious? Are you okay?
Sister, please now, calm down now, eh? I'm not a child anymore. This is what I want to do and I'm going to do it. Calm down now. I'm not a baby. I know what I'm doing.
What is this madness?
Sister, you calm down now. Relax. What is it?
Why did you get yourself involved in this?
Look, I thought you said you like this, your boss, and you want the best for her. I thought you said you wanted her to find a husband so that she can claim her father's company. I know what you said.
Yes, but not you. You are my younger brother.
Relax. Relax. Okay, calm down. Just look at this thing from the bright side.
Which bright side?
Look, if I get this money, you're going to quit this maid job. But all I have to do is just be a good husband and then, get paid. I get the money and can go. It's not like I'm even sleeping with her or anything. Relax. I have this under control. I have it under control.
Alfred.
I have it under control. Okay, calm down. It's not me again. Relax. Come here.
Uncle, I would find a husband very soon.
You're supposed to get married before you turn 35. And you're turning 35 in 4 months' time. So if you don't get yourself a man and get married before 4 months' time, the company becomes mine.
Why would my dad put this kind of clause in his will? Go away. I don't want to talk to anybody. I said go away. I don't want to talk to anybody.
I don't think that clause or that sentence belongs to your husband, though.
What do you mean?
The last time I checked, I'm doing this out of my own will. Nobody's forcing me to do anything.
Why are you doing this?
Let's say I need the money and you need a husband. I mean, we could work together, collaborate and make this thing happen, right?
What about your sister?
Sorted. I took care of her. Everything is fine now.
No, I can't do this.
There you go. Take.
Stop. Alfred, stop.
I need to put food into you. You need to be alive. That you can maybe divorce. If that's going to happen or not. You're going to thank me later, don't worry. Don't worry about me, I'll save myself. Just save her, and you can also join us. Sis. Is it good? Sis! Sis! Sorry about that. What is it? Come on now, we talked about this already. We spoke about this now. Why are you trying to spoil things between us? You need this money. I mean, so that you could go back to school and have a life for yourself outside this whole maid thing you're doing up and down. You know we need this money.
How can I watch my younger brother do this? I feel like I'm a failed elder sister.
Sis, come here. You're not a failed elder sister. Okay. Personally, I want to do this for us. Okay, let me do this one thing for us and you get this money. Because at the end of the day, we'll still divorce and everything will go back to normal. So what's the stress?
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Completely.
See, Alfred, you have to promise me. Please, don't touch her. Even if she forces herself on you, please don't touch her.
Okay, I've heard you.
Promise me.
I promise you. I cross my heart.
Are you sure?
Sure.
No sister, no brother, no parents. Just terrible money that keeps attracting terrible people to me. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Good morning, sis.
Good morning, Oga.
Which one is good morning, Oga again? Sometimes you don't wake up in the morning and want to act film, Abby.
You're my Oga now.
Mm.
You're my madam's husband. So, you be Oga now. Good morning, Oga.
Speaking of your madam, where is she?
She's not out, oh.
She's not out, okay. She's be getting ready to go to work by this time now.
I don't know.
Sure, let me go and check up on her. I don't understand.
Ah, no. That's my job. Just go and sit down there.
Just go now and check if she's
I'm going
okay.
to check on her. Just go and sit down. Sorry. This way.
Oh, hey. Don't worry, let me help you. Don't worry.
It's fine, I can do it myself.
Yeah?
Angela, please go make breakfast for me.
Are you sure you want me to? Do you need help?
No, thank you.
Are you looking for something? Look, you didn't tell me what I'm going to be doing in the office. You didn't mention that.
Do what you know how to do best. Pretend.
Yeah?
What happened? Did you two get into a fight?
No, we did not. I mean, we had dinner, and that was it. She started giving me cold attitude. I'm texting her, she's not responding. I don't know.
Are you sure you didn't say anything or do anything to her?
No, I didn't say anything.
Think.
No.
Angela. 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 Angela.
Ma,
Where were you?
I'm sorry, Ma. I was in my brother's room.
Are you working for me or you're working for your brother?
I'm working for you.
And try not to get fired.
I'm sorry, Ma.
Please get me a strong drink.
All right, Ma.
How dare you barge into my room?
It's enough. Give me. No. Give me that. Give me. Stella.
Leave
Stella.
it.
Give it to me. Enough of that already. Enough. Time to go to bed. Look, it's time for you to go to bed. Okay? I'm your husband, remember? Plus, you have board meeting tomorrow morning. You don't want to wake up late.
None of your business.
Let me remind you that you're my wife. And your business is automatically my business.
Can you stop calling me your wife? I shouldn't have had this marriage with you.
Well, we have this marriage already. So deal with it, wifey. Now go to bed. I'll put to bed myself. Oh. Push in, baby. It's time to go to bed. Okay. See how you want to sleep. Like this. Fine. The most important thing is that you're going to go to bed right now. You okay? You fine? You want me to use my hobby powers right now and call you to bed?
Someone I can finally call families back. I'm so glad. I missed you so much.
Hold on first, Stella. What? So you got married without telling me? Your BFF, really?
Look, it's not that serious, okay? I mean, it's not even a love marriage. I just paid one guy to be my husband for a year because I needed to get my father's company. Okay. And besides, who will marry a crippled guy?
No, don't do that, Stella. You're a very pretty young lady, and any man in his right senses will love you, okay?
Okay, enough about me. Tell me about you. What's going on with you? What's happening? Tell me all the gist.
Well,
okay.
Baby girl needed some relaxing, so I had to come back to Nigeria to breathe.
Let me get who we're going to talk.
Of course, I can't wait. Look at you. Oh my God.
That's fine, it's okay.
Hey baby, come here. I was expecting you back so early.
And yeah, who's this?
This is my best friend. She's like family.
Your best friend?
Yeah.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Angela, can you make something for her to eat, please?
Okay, ma.
Alright, let me take you inside the kitchen to freshen up. Beauty, come along.
Okay, right after you.
Who's that guy?
He's the young guy I paid to be my husband. Don't judge me, okay? It wasn't intentional.
Yeah, who cares? His hurts.
How's it doing you? Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome, ma.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma. And who's that one?
She's my maid, Alfred's sister.
Alfred. Who is Alfred?
My paid husband.
What?
Look, it's complicated, okay?
Girl, I don't care how complicated it is. That guy is hot as hell.
Okay. 1 year, okay? I know you're in for anything and everything, but just give me 1 year. Just 1 year.
1 year is damn too long.
This is the part where we eat, okay? Yeah, let's...
Did you see him?
Can we eat, please?
Okay. He's hot.
What is it?
Why did you peck her?
I was just pretending to be a good husband. I was pretending.
Must you peck her?
Now. Didn't you see her friend was there? Don't want her friend to think that I don't love her. Look, sister, relax. Okay? If I'm doing this thing, allow me to do it my way. Okay?
Fine. Alfred, I don't want you to cross boundaries.
I'm not crossing any boundaries, okay?
And you see that her friend, she smells like a bag of trouble. Stay away from her.
That's her best friend you're talking about, though.
I know, but...
Relax, calm down. You started overthinking again. Breathe.
I'm not overthinking. I know trouble when I see one.
Alright, fine. I'm going to stay away from trouble. Okay, I'll keep it in my mind. All right? For now, I need to go back and join our guests, okay?
No kissing.
No touching.
No touching.
No kissing.
No pecking.
No touching.
No touching.
Bye.
So, tell me, do you stay in this room with your husband?
I've told you he's not my husband.
Whatever. But, you see that your maid? I don't like her. Come to think of it, are you even sure they're siblings? I mean, how are you sure that they're not here to rip you off and make away with your wealth?
Listen, I trust Angela, okay? She's been with me for years.
Oh. Long enough to know that you do not have any family member to claim your wealth if anything happens to you. Then what? She brings her brother, or rather her boyfriend, to marry you and eventually become the only family member you have. Then, when you're dead, he claims everything you have.
God forbid, nothing is going to happen to me.
Okay, fine. But I still do not like her. Both of them, or any of them, has to leave this house for your safety.
I can't send him out. He has to be here for me to get my father's company. And besides, what if you're wrong?
Then do whatever you have to do fast and get them out.
Yes, come in.
Hey, wifey. You've been here like forever now, and come here. Hey, beauty. You good?
Hi, Alfred.
What are you doing here?
Okay, I'll just
What do you mean, what am I doing
love
here?
beds too.
Oh, yes, you do that, okay?
No, you don't have to.
Alfred, please take care of my friend.
No, definitely I will.
What is this rubbish? Eh? What is all this love? And which wife are you missing?
What is it? Wait, you want her to notice that you paid me to do this job? I mean, let me do my job well, and I know you paid him, but then, I mean, if she notices that we're acting, do you know that it's going to spoil the business? Yeah? Going to spoil it now. I need you to take your father's company and give me my money so I can go. We live happily ever after. You paid me to do this job, right? Let me do it well. You paid me, right? Let me do the job well. Oh, alright, fine. Sorry. It's alright, yeah, that you. I think sometimes you can just put me on the edge. Sorry. You guys act all strong and all tough. You're just a big baby at the end of the day. Look at your face like you want to cry. Sorry. Okay. Sorry.
Don't you love me again?
I promise. I won't. Okay? I won't yell at you again. You have to be careful. Sorry.
Good morning, ma.
Is Alfred really your brother?
You mean my madam's husband?
Answer my question.
He's my brother.
Or your boyfriend?
Are you sick? No, answer me. Are you okay?
Is everything okay?
Yes, ma. Ma, please, what would you like to have for breakfast?
Just give me whatever is available.
Stella, I haven't seen your husband this morning. Is he still sleeping? Or did you overwork him last night?
Stop talking nonsense.
She seemed not to like the fact that you and her brother or her boyfriend are together.
Because he's younger than I am.
So, what? I mean, if she's not sleeping with him, what's her problem?
Can you just shut up, okay? And besides, I also don't like it, but there's nothing I can do. We're married now. And he doesn't even act his age, okay? He just finds a way to show that he's the man without being toxic. I like his personality.
Please don't like his personality. Remember, you're giving him to me after 1 year.
Beauty, he's still my husband, okay? And besides, I thought you said he's here to kill me. Why are you liking a killer?
Stella, you are giving him to me after 1 year. Please stick to the agreement.
At least you could have helped me to the dining.
Oh, don't worry, baby. I got you. Good morning. You good?
Good morning.
Good morning, my princess. You good?
Princess?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've never seen this dress before. Oh, this is the dress. Oh, let me check. Of course, the smile. Right there. Good morning.
Good morning. I'll see you.
Stella, can you tell me why you're blushing?
I'm not blushing.
Look at your face. Your face is all red.
No, please, stop saying nonsense. I'm not blushing.
Stella, the way you're laughing with that guy is becoming too much.
What boy?
What's that his name again? Yeah, Alfred.
I don't understand.
Stella, you need to be careful. Very careful at that. I mean, that guy is too good to be true. Now, let me ask you. Why else will he be showing you so much affection, if not to gain your trust and eventually kill you?
Oh, please, no. Nobody's going to kill me, okay? I thought you were interested in him.
Well, not anymore. He's too fake for my liking. Very fake. Stella.
Please.
What are you even? What are you?
Hi.
Hi.
You know you look good, right? Very cute.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So I hear you're still in school.
Correct.
And how are you coping with being in school and being a husband?
I'm coping just fine. Thank you.
Okay. Nice shirt.
Oga, your wife is calling you.
Correct. Thank you.
I thought you said he's your brother.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so why do you call him Oga? And why does it seem like you're always upset when you see someone else around him?
As long as this house is concerned, he is my boss. Okay? And I am not upset when I see him around people. I only get upset when I see him around a snake.
Did you just call me a snake?
Remember, he's your best friend's husband. Respect that, okay?
She called me a snake. Alright then. I'll show them what it means to be a snake in this house.
Alfred.
Good morning, beauty. Hey, good morning.
Stop flattering me.
What do you mean by that? Look, I'm just stating the obvious. See how pretty you look this morning. Keep it. Check out. Anyway, it's the weekend. What are your plans?
Plans?
Weekend plans. So it's Saturday. We'll be late.
I'll be heading to the office by 12 p.m.
Office on Saturday. Yeah, that's not nice now.
There's nothing to do at home here. I'll be bored, so I can as well just go to the office.
Okay, you know what? How about we go out? Yeah. How about we just hang out? Good idea.
Babe, are you going somewhere?
Yeah, I'm going out.
But today is Saturday. I was thinking we could go out.
Like you and I?
Yes.
Go out. Come on, man. Come on. Are you trying to embarrass me? I don't understand. Don't worry, I'll see you when I come back, alright? Yeah.
Stella. Okay. Stella.
Don't make a mockery of me.
I'm not trying to make a mockery of you. I just said we should hang out since it's the weekend.
Why will you ask me to hang out? Can't you see that I'm disabled? Why do you keep giving me hopes? Why do you keep doing that? What have I done to you?
Look, it's going.
Why are you treating me this way? What have I done to you?
What's going on here? What did you do to my friend?
Look, just stay back, beauty. Listen, I wasn't trying to do anything. I just wanted us to go out. Okay, it's the weekend, and yeah, that's all. I didn't mean anything bad. Okay, you can go back to the kitchen and everything's fine. It's okay. It's okay.
Stella, are you okay?
She's fine. Go back to what you're doing.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Alright. Turn go upstairs. Let me take care. There you go. Careful. That's it.
Can I take out my slippers, please?
Okay, sure. Careful. Alright. Exactly. Okay. What were you saying? We're going out very soon. You have to get ready. I mean, change his outfit to something more beautiful.
What if I don't want to go out?
Okay. I will just sit down here in bed with you.
Huh?
Yeah. Or better still, I could help you get ready. You know, take this.
I'll get ready.
No, I feel like I should help you.
No, it's fine.
I'll do it faster.
It's fine.
I'll just.
No, it's okay. I'll get ready.
Are you sure? 10 minutes.
Time.
So I should let go.
Yeah.
But Okay, it's okay. Fine. I'll be back though. You have to get ready by the time I'm back. Okay? Are you sure I shouldn't like...
Just go.
Oh, wow. You look handsome.
Thank you very much. I'm actually going on a date with my wife.
Sorry. By your wife, you mean my crippled girlfriend?
Look, Beauty, let me tell you something. That is my wife. Don't call her that again. Do you understand?
I would like to ask you a question. What are you really after? Her money or her inheritance? Which?
The thing is, Beauty, if you don't stop talking out here, I'll be after your life instead. Stay away from my business, Beauty. Okay. Yeah, you look beautiful, baby. Come here. I want this dress. Okay. Thank you, sister. I can take it from here.
Can I have my phone, please?
Oh, yes. Okay, that's right. You ready? Smells so good.
Thank you. You look good.
Thank you. Alright, I'll see you later, okay?
Have fun.
Stella, you go.
Take good care of your wife. Some people's heart go choke.
Clean up.
What? You are obviously looking for someone that will kill you. Frustrated Shigo. Hey! Who are you leaving this thing for? Come back here, Angela, clean up this thing!
Frustrated? What? Ah, she's definitely going to be fired this time around.
Angela, come!
Thank you so much for tonight. It's been a while I've had this much fun. Boring life of a cripple.
Hey, I've told you. Stop saying that. Stop saying that, Stella. Like, you're not boring, cripple. Stop saying that.
I like it when you call my name.
Like you when I say Stella.
Yeah. Say it again.
Stella.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And I'll always be here to take you out as many times as possible.
miss you, Max. I've been so lonely without you. Please stay with me.
You had a lot to drink. I think you should just go to bed now, okay?
Yeah, fine.
Just sleep, alright? You had a lot to drink today. Just go to bed.
Alfred.
Hey. When did you come here?
What is it?
Nothing.
Can you talk to me? You are obviously not okay.
Sis, I told you nothing is wrong. I'm fine. Alright, fine. I'm not okay. Obviously, I'm not fine.
What is it?
Tell me, who is Maxwell?
Who told you about Maxwell?
Just answer the damn question. Who is Maxwell?
I should answer the damn question.
Who is Maxwell?
Stella's ex.
The same ex that stole stuff from her and ran away. That's a Maxwell.
Yes.
How is that even possible? How is she in love with the guy? How is she still in love with him?
What are you talking about?
Nothing.
Alfred.
Sis, never mind. It's nothing, okay?
Listen, I don't want you to get hot. What are you talking about?
Nothing. It's fine. I'm not getting hot, just don't worry. So it's okay. Good morning.
Good morning. Are you going somewhere?
Yes, I have classes today. I'm going to school.
School? I can drop you off after breakfast.
No, that's fine. I'll just order a ride. I'll buy something on my way up. Thank you.
What's wrong with him? He just said good morning. He didn't add baby. He didn't pack me as usual. Stella, stop thinking too much.
Stella. What is wrong with your world-best husband?
Is something wrong with him? I think he looks perfectly fine.
Well, he doesn't look fine to me. Maybe he's done being fake. I mean, nobody can pretend for too long. Hello? Aren't you eating?
Ma, are we going to the office or to the warehouse?
Why has he not called me? Nah, I'm not going to call him. I won't call him.
Mama.
Yes?
Are we going to the office or to the warehouse, ma?
Where else?
Ma?
Office. You know what? Just take me home.
Ma?
Take me home!
Okay, ma.
And where are you going? To my house.
Meaning?
Meaning I'm going home. Whenever my madam goes to work and I'm done with my work, I go. I can only stay back if her husband is around. But now nobody is here, so I have to leave.
Angela, do I look invisible to you in this house? It's time I report you to Stella. And I will do that.
Be my guest.
Anyway, I feel like having pounded yam and egusi soup, please.
Okay. You want what? Pounded yam and what? Egusi soup. The kitchen is there. I did not lock it.
Are you mad or stupid or crazy?
Okay. Angela! Angela, come back here!
Can you imagine? Well, I don't blame her. I don't blame any of them. I blame Stella for all this nonsense. I blame her.
Alfred, what are you doing here? I thought you were supposed to be in school.
I didn't go back to school again.
Really? You didn't plan on going back to school? Because I know you guys are on holiday.
Exactly. I'm on holiday. But my wife doesn't know that. She doesn't even know that I'm on break. She doesn't even care, nothing.
What is this? Why are you sounding so pissed at her?
Look, I'm not angry. Okay, I'm just angry at myself. Because why was I expecting so much in the first place? Why?
Alfred, are you okay? Do you remember this is a contract marriage? Like she is not your real wife. Do you remember?
Go live now. No, go to NT and broadcast it. Thank you for reminding me.
Of course I need to remind you of the bitter truth. Get a grip of yourself and don't be stupid. Yeah, this is my house. I can shout at you. You're not my boss here. Have you eaten?
I'm fine.
Are you hungry?
No.
What's going on? What is it? You look restless.
No, I'm not.
Stella, you're waiting for that boy, right? Oh, Stella, how many times do I need to tell you that that boy is fake? This is the real him. He's beginning to act his real self.
That's not true.
Okay, tell me. Have you given him his first pay?
Yes.
Look at it. Then he starts acting up. What does that tell you? Can't you see? The boy is fake, Stella. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. God. Are you possessed?
He's here. Hi.
Hey. You okay?
Yeah. How are you?
Fine. I'll be in my room.
You see? Have you seen it? Open your eyes, Stella. Open your eyes. The boy is fake. Fake! God.
Come in.
I'm so sorry. Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm sorry I came in late. I didn't know you'll be back early.
It's fine. It's okay.
Okay. So what would you like to have for dinner?
Ask your brother. He didn't have breakfast this morning.
Okay, ma.
Angela.
Ma?
Is Alfred okay?
I don't know. He didn't mention anything to me.
Okay.
Okay, ma.
What is holding this girl? Angela! Angela! What's up with you and that nonsense food they are making there? How long will it take?
What did you make?
Fried rice and chicken.
Is that what he said he would eat?
No, ma. He said he's not hungry.
Why?
Stella, don't tell me you're worried about that boy.
I need to know why he's not
No,
eating.
you don't need to know. If he's hungry, he will eat. Please, give me my food, let me eat. You're allowing small boy to stress you emotionally. What's that?
Thank you.
This is the rubbish that took you centuries to make.
You can go.
Thank you, ma.
Please, don't eat this. You're just wasting your money on that girl. I'm worried about a small boy that don't want to eat.
Yeah, come in.
Hey, handsome. Okay, I heard you've not eaten, so I brought you food. Eat up.
I'm not hungry. I had something to eat already. Thank you.
You know I care so much about you, right? And it breaks my heart to see you sad. Come on, Fred. She doesn't deserve it. I mean, look at you. So handsome, so cute. How can you be stuck with a cripple?
Hey, I swear to God, they born you well. Say it again. No, say it again. Let me slap you. What's wrong with you? How dare you come and wife a cripple? How dare you? Look, the only reason why I'm giving you audience because she considers you family. I don't. Change that for you. No, like this. You collect. Understand? Try him again.
I'll pay you double of whatever she's offering you to be her husband.
Alright. That's fine. Let me just give her a quick call. Tell her that you pay me double and I should dump her and come to you. Okay, no, relax now.
No, okay, it's fine.
Why are you running?
Fine.
Sit down and let me call her.
I'm leaving. It's okay. You don't have to do that. Gosh.
And yeah, come back. Let me tell you something.
Okay.
Even if Stella pays me to be her husband, I'm going to remain loyal to her till the very end. And yes, I will choose Stella as a cripple over you 1,000 times. And get out. Though. Signal beauty.
Come in.
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning, Angela.
Ma, what would you like to have for breakfast?
Anything is fine. Please tell Alfred I need to see him.
Okay, Ma.
Good morning, sis.
She's calling you.
She's calling me.
Your wife, of course.
Tell her I'm in my room.
You say?
Tell her I'm in my room.
Okay, sir.
Coming. Where is he?
Ma, he said I should tell you that he's in his room.
Meaning?
Don't know.
What is wrong with him?
Don't know.
Leave. What's with this silent treatment?
Good morning.
I don't have time for games. I have meeting with board of directors and my uncle, so I need you to go get ready and let's leave.
I'm not going.
Excuse you? Does this look like a joke to you? What do you mean by you're not going?
I said I'm not going anywhere with you.
I paid you and you have to finish it.
Oh, it's about the money now, yeah? I'm going to give the money back. I'm done.
Alfred, please, this is very important to me. This is the final meeting before I get the company. Please, don't mess this up for me. Please. Please.
Fine. I'll do it. Okay? You know, I can't bear to see you sad. Simply can't. I'll go with you. I'll do anything you want me to do.
Promise.
Promise. Now can you please smile for me? Go on. Mm-hmm. There you go. Alright. Just give me 5 minutes, I'll be ready, okay?
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I feel like I owe you. Tell me, what do you want? I want to do something for you.
No, nothing. It's fine.
No, aside the money I'm going to pay you, do you want a car? Do you want a house? What do you want? Name it.
You know what? I'll think about it.
Okay, I'll be waiting for your reply.
Okay. Once again, congratulations. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. I wouldn't have done it without you.
Right.
Thank you.
We did it.
Yeah, we did.
Yay.
Girl, I'm so excited.
You should be.
You need to see my this face.
I can imagine, honestly.
Where are you going? I know, that's fine. Can you get a glass and join us, please?
Thank you, ma. Don't worry. Just carry on.
Come on. I want
you to join me.
Stella, what do you mean by a maid should join us and drink?
She's my family, so why not? Where is Alfred?
I think he's upstairs.
Please call him. I need him downstairs. This wouldn't have been possible without him.
Okay, ma.
All right, I'll be waiting.
Okay, ma. Well, to the latest CEO.
Take that.
God, girl, you're too much. This is huge. It is. It is very huge, and I'm proud of you. Thank you.
So, can you tell me, what do you want? A car? A house?
Tell me something. Are you drunk?
Huh?
Are you high?
No, why?
Good. I just wanted to make sure that we are both on our right senses.
Okay, so tell me, a car, a house, what do you want?
I want you, Stella. That's what I want.
What?
I said, I want you, Stella Dakore.
Be serious.
Tell me something. Do you still love him?
Who?
Maxwell.
How did you know about Maxwell? Who? Your sister. Why would Angela do that?
Look, Stella, we had a moment together. Right? We even shared a kiss. You know. But then along the line, you just kept on mentioning his name. I don't understand. I thought...
I kissed you.
Yes. Yes, you kissed. You don't remember? Are you ashamed of our first kiss? Listen, I thought we had a spark, Stella. I thought the feeling was mutual. I thought we had something going.
It meant nothing, okay? I was under the influence of alcohol. There is no us, okay? Okay, our contract ends here. Take. This is your last payment. And I'll tell the driver to bring your car to you. Once again, it was nice doing business with you.
So, that's it?
Please leave.
Okay, my CEO. Just stay here. Give me a few minutes. Let me set the table for breakfast, okay?
Where is Angela?
She quit.
Huh? Why?
Come on, Stella. I always told you that those people are fake. Okay, now look at it. Just because they didn't succeed to kill you, they are now angry. See, my dear, Do not disturb yourself at all. Before the end of today, I promise you I will get you even up to 15 mates if you want. I mean, you're not the CEO. Leave those people.
I'm not happy. Since Alfred left this house, it just feels like a part of me left with him.
Relax. You'll be fine. You're better off without him, okay? Cheer up. Oh, let me fix breakfast for you.
Forget.
Stella, where are you going? Are you not going to work again? Stella! Okay, she has gone mad.
Sister, you resigned? Now?
Because I want to. How do you know I resigned?
But sister, you know that she needs you. Honestly, she does. Look, me, I don't trust that beauty girl for anything. I don't trust her.
Alfred, how do you know I resigned? Are you still in touch with her?
No. Look, the driver told me.
Oh, so you went to check on her, right?
I didn't. She didn't see me. Okay, she didn't see me. But sister, you know that I cannot stay away from her. I can't. I simply can't. I love her.
Alfred, you're a finished man.
Even though leave it like that. Oh, please go back and take care of her, please.
On one condition.
What is it?
You have to catch all the check and give it to me.
No problem. No problem. I already have one, but the other one I didn't collect it from her because I felt that I didn't need it.
Yeah, you don't need it. I need it, eh?
Yeah, no problem. It's fine. I'll catch all of them and give it to you. Just go back here, please. Sister, I'll give you the money now. Go.
Where's Beauty? Come in!
Oh, Ma, please. Ma, please, we are sorry. Please forgive us, Ma, please.
Amanda, I thought you were dead. What are you doing here?
It's a long story, Ma. You will not understand, but please, just forgive my brother. Please, I beg you. Forgive me, please. We are sorry.
What happened to your brother?
Your husband arrested him for stealing from you, Ma, please.
Which husband?
Sorry. Alfred, your husband. Please, we are sorry, Ma, please. Send your husband for us. I will do anything you want. Anything, Ma, please. Just forgive him. Let them release my brother, please. We are sorry. Ma, please. Please, Ma. We are sorry, Ma, please.
Can you believe that he got Maxwell arrested? This is the best news I've heard.
What is it?
He just cashed the check.
I told you. That guy is fake. I thought he was after your money. Come on, Stella, what were you expecting?
I thought he loved me.
Oh God, Stella. Love? How delusional can you be? That guy is fake. Fake love everywhere. Someone that is after your money are talking about love. Wake up.
Excuse me. What are you still doing here? I thought you should resume work by now at Stella's place. Sister, what are you still doing here now? Answer me.
I am not going back there. I am not going back there.
How now? You've cast all the money now. You're with the money now. You're supposed to resume work. Keep your part of the deal. That's what we agreed. Sister?
Alfred.
Yes?
You are gradually losing it.
See, we see problem there.
What is your problem? Why do you keep stalking this woman? Why do you keep hanging around her house? Like a crazy psycho? Listen, trust me. Be warned though. Because if they arrest you, I will not even come and bail you out.
Let me worry about that. The only thing you have to do for me now is keep your part of the agreement. Go and start working there again.
Come and carry me.
Sister.
You don't have respect again, no.
Sister.
You don't have respect again, no. You do not have respect again. You just talk to me anyhow.
I mean, mess up now. Money don't enter your hand now. Why?
What are you doing?
I'm now looking for a better way to say good morning to you.
I know you want me. But are you sure about that?
Of course I'm sure. I'm sure. Very sure.
What about the contracts?
The contract? Damn the fucking contract.
I miss him. I miss him so much. What am I going to do? Coming.
Stella, there is a situation outside.
What is it?
I think it's time you arrest that useless boy. That idiot.
Who?
That's your whatever his name is. Please, let's go. Come and handle this. Hold on. Easy.
Easy. It's okay. Let's go.
Stella, please just give me 2 minutes. Let me talk to you, please.
Alfred, what are you doing?
Stella, please.
Alfred,
Please,
Alfred, stop this thing you are doing.
You're going to go home.
I'm not going. I'm going with
Stella.
You're not supposed to be talking about love. You're supposed to be talking about school. She'll get you arrested.
What are you doing, Alfred?
Stella, how am I supposed to function without you? Tell me, how am I supposed to go on with my life without you? I already got used to being your husband. I mean, you're always there to annoy me, to get me upset and get under my skin and do all that.
Stop, just stop.
Look, Please take me back. Okay? I'm scared of losing you. I don't ever want to lose you, Stella. I can't live my life without you.
I'm crippled. Does this even make any sense?
Listen. Look, I don't care. I don't care about that. Look, the most important thing is that I love you. That's what matters to me the most.
My brother is a finished man. Oh, wow. I'm having goosebumps.
So you're the crazy stalker that's been in the house?
Look, Stella. You drove me crazy. Things I would naturally not do, you know.
Just like giving all your money to your sister so she can take care of me.
Hey, I think... How do you know that?
All my sister-in-law told me.
That girl. Yeah, part of the crazy things I did.
I need to go and check if that devil that calls herself my best friend is done packing.
Hey, no, don't worry. Angela is going to make sure she leaves this house immediately, okay?
I didn't know she hated me that much.
Look, the most important thing right now is that you're fine and you're okay. You're here right now, okay? That's what matters the most. Okay? I love you.
I love you too.
How much?
Very much.
I'm sure. How much is very much?
Very big.